This is an amazing place to come for flowers and for fragrance. I'm at the Lily Market in Forest Grove, and I'm with Ken. And Ken, this is it's just feast for the eyes today. It's beautiful.
Yes, they are beautiful.
And so you're really going to give us a little primer, a little tiny one, about different kind of lilies. Because when we think of lilies, we think of stargazer, which is very famous. But you have some that are different than that, tall, short. So what did you want to touch on?
Well, we grow, there's 9 classifications or divisions, and we grow 7 of them. And the most popular ones, of course, are the Orientals, which are like stargazer. And the Orient Pets and the Asians are the 3 most popular. The Orient Pet's a cross between an Oriental and a trumpet lily. And they can get quite tall, as do the Orientals, like Casablanca and a few others. The Orient Pets normally are called tree lilies, or American hybrids, and they can get up to 10 feet tall with a stem of around 3 to 4 inches. So they're quite sturdy once they get established. The new variety that's only been on the market for about 10 years are the double rose lilies. They are they are fragrant, but they have no stamen, which creates the pollen that people are allergic to. So, and they are fragrant. They are one of the most popular ones now.
That's nice. And there's no staining either. When people that are so nervous about getting stains on their clothes or on their tablecloths, it's kind of nice to have these.
Yeah, well, there's an easy way to take care of that. When you cut your stem, you just tip it upside down and cut the
of course,
stamens off.
And so there's so many different kinds, but really there's tall, short. What kind of care do they all get?
This time of year, you want to water twice a week, and as they emerge in the spring, you don't want to let that new growth or the bulb run shy of water, because that'll decrease the bulb size, and all you'll get is a stem. Next year, nothing. So you want to, this time of year, twice a week watering. You want to fertilize with our custom blend in the spring as they're emerging, and then again in the fall when they're done. And that's really about it. You want to, of course, take care of the slugs in the spring and the fall.
Right.
So, and with organic slug bait.
Ah, perfect. And then, so we can put them in beds, and then we can put them in pots too. There's some small enough to do that.
Yes, you can. In fact, you can do the American hybrids or the Orient Pets in pots too, as long as you use I usually recommend a whiskey barrel type size. You can get about 6 to 8 bulbs in one of those, and plant some annuals around the edges so it accents the foliage and everything.
Ah, that's great. Well, you know, when you come up here, you can get plants in pots, lilies to take home, and you can get bouquets. I'm going to go over and talk to Sylvia and hear about that. Aren't these lovely? This is something new this year, Sylvia.
Yes. I make these fresh bouquets up every morning. I make a variety of colors. They're reasonably priced, so you can come to the farm, enjoy our garden, and then when you leave, you can purchase a beautiful bouquet.
And you can also take plants home.
You can take plants home. Here we have them all in alphabetical order, and you just go and pick your lily, or you can order lily bulbs here at the farm, and you would pick them up in the springtime. And come and enjoy this beautiful atmosphere. We have a gorgeous view. And for COVID-19 rules, we require masks. And when you walk through the garden, if there's not very many people here, you stay 6 feet apart. You can bring that mask down to enjoy more aroma. And if someone comes near you, please apply your mask.
Right.
Again. Yeah.
You just want us to be safe, of course.
Just want everybody to be safe, and we want everyone to come and enjoy the lilies.
They are so gorgeous. Really, to come out to the country, it's just in Forest Grove, and just see this beautiful view and all these lovely lilies, and the fragrance is just delicious. So please go to gardentime.tv. We have all their information there, and you can find out how to get here. Thanks so much.
Thank you for coming.